Welcome back to Mighty Machinery Channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable modern agricultural machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing modern agriculture machine. Let's begin with the Oxbow 6430 Super High Density Olive Harvester, a modern powerhouse with a touch of finesse. Its new simple sort system tidies up like a pro, leaving sticks and debris in the field where they belong. This marvel means business by boasting a CAT turbocharged Tier 4F 174 horsepower engine. At a remarkable 21 feet in length, it commands attention. Its breadth stretches an impressive 12 feet, providing ample coverage. Rising to a towering height of 14 feet, it dominates the landscape. It's like a giant olive hugger with a 15-foot long, 4-foot wide, and 12-foot high tunnel, geared to embrace even the grandest trees. It is accoutred with Eco Mode, which achieves up to 40% savings. Plus, its nylon catchers ensure a gentle touch on your precious crops. In short, who knew harvesting olives could be so high-tech and eco-friendly? That is, with the Oxbow 6430. Now, meet the J&M NitroGrow 6026 Nitrogen Applicator, the superhero of crop growth. This 10-ton modern machine doesn't mess around when it comes to enhancing your yield. It's prepared to tackle even the largest fields with a tank capacity of 2,600 gallons and a base width that extends a majestic 60 feet. But here's where the magic happens. It injects nitrogen directly into the soil, ensuring every plant gets its fair share. It moves with the grace of a dancer through your fields with its standard walking tandem dual-wheel undercarriage. It widens 25 feet in length. Its width spans 12 feet wide. Standing at just 1 foot tall, it's compact yet mighty in its capabilities. So the J&M NitroGrow 6026 can be your new farming sidekick to ensure your crops reach superhero status. Next is the Vortex 390 self-propelled sprayer, the ultimate weapon against pesky pests and stubborn weeds. This cutting-edge agricultural tool is designed to apply pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers to crops efficiently, with a whopping 2,483 gallons of spot spray-ready capacity. The simple mechanical drive ensures reliability, cost-effectiveness, and top-notch performance. Its 2-speed transfer case maximizes power to tackle tough field conditions. It's like a high-tech giant on a mission with Millennium aluminum spray boom, available in lengths of 118 feet and 131 feet. The self-propelled mechanism on a road speed of 50 miles per hour allows it to move swiftly and evenly across various terrains. Moreover, it's powered by the mighty Cummins 2-gallon engine and RDS Allison transmission. Thus, get rid of unwanted guests easily with the Vortex 390. Strap in to witness the future of farming. Subscribe now to Mighty Machinery and explore the incredible world of modern agricultural technology. The fourth machine on the list is the Red Dragon Vegetable Bed Flamer. This modern agricultural machine is for sterilizing seed beds and controlling weeds and vegetable production by using propane-powered flames. It has a working width range from 5 to 20 feet. Using clean and efficient propane of 6 to 10 gallons per acre, it's as eco-friendly as it gets, with no runoff or water contamination to worry about. Plus, with a nifty electronic shutdown feature from the driver's seat, safety is top-notch. It can flame directly ahead of your planter, even when it's too wet to cultivate. It's a game changer for both conventional and organic growers alike, and with a 250-gallon LP tank, you'll have plenty of fuel to keep your field blazing. Feast your eyes on the Machio Gaspardo Trotter, the 125 Ultra Cut Baler, the heavy-duty champion of baling. It has 18 ribbed rollers and 25 knives working their magic, crafting bales with a diameter of 4 feet. Dense and perfectly shaped, like they're headed for a hay sculpture contest. With a 7-foot pickup, it can gather hay like a pro. It's equipped with automatic chain oiling and 3 feeding systems to choose from. Weighing in at a solid 4 tons and can be carried out by a 53 to 72 horsepower tractor. Furthermore, it's like having your personal baling assistant with manual baling adjustment and reinforced chains with a 1-inch pitch. Grab your tractor and be prepared to bale like a boss with the Trotter 125. Brace yourself for the Hansung HSU 3004 Air Blast Sprayer to blast away those annoying pests. It comes in at a hefty 4 tons and ensures every nook and cranny of your field gets the treatment it deserves, even if it's hiding behind dense foliage. With a powerful air blast mechanism, it's like having a herd of stallions propelling you through the fields with an engine packing 286 horsepower. It's mounted on a trusty tractor of 4 tons or more. The sprayer stretches 22 feet in length, spans 7 feet in width, and stands 9 feet tall to cover large areas during spraying operations proficiently. Additionally, with a liquid chemical tank capacity of 793 gallons, it's the ultimate spraying machine. It runs fast after having 40 gallons of fuel. To cut it short, HSU 3004 could be your go-to weapon against crop invaders. Now, unleash the Krone Easy Cut B1000 CV mower, the titan of grass cutting. Tipping the scales at a sturdy 4 tons and equipped with a robust 180 horsepower engine, this machine is all business when it comes to forage production. With sharp blades slicing through vegetation like a hot knife through butter, it effortlessly glides across your fields, leaving behind a perfectly groomed landscape. It covers ground faster than a herd of stampeding cows with a working width of up to 33 feet. Its hydraulic balance control ensures smooth sailing, even over rough terrain. Plus, with Smart Cut technology for stripeless cuts and a transport width of 10 feet and a height of 13 feet, it's as compact as it is powerful. Lastly, the Easy Cut B1000 CV boasts a generous ground clearance of 1 foot to ensure uninterrupted performance. Here we have the Teagle Titan 15 rear discharge spreader to revolutionize your farming game. It's a vital agricultural implement used for spreading a variety of materials such as manure, compost, lime, and fertilizer on fields. With rotating beaters and adjustable fins at the rear, it's like a symphony of nutrient distribution, ensuring every inch of your field gets the love it deserves. It has a heaped capacity of 20 cubic yards. This formidable machine brags a loading height of 8 feet and a weight of 7 tons, making it a force to be reckoned with. At an impressive length of 26 feet, it elongates wide to 10 feet. Plus, at a soaring height of 12 feet, it commands the landscape with authority. At last, the Titan 15 is like the Ferrari of spreaders, with a speed of 1,000 RPM. The 9th spot is occupied by the Kuhn Optimer XL 5000 cultivator. This mammoth weighs 6 tons. It's like a disco for dirt, turning your field into a smooth and level seedbed for planting royalty. It showcases 40 rotating discs, each with a 2-foot diameter, breaking up soil clods like a team of miniature jackhammers. With a working width of 16 feet and a working depth of 2 to 6 inches, it covers ground faster than a cheetah on roller skates. But don't worry, it's not all brawn and no brains. It has a minimum power requirement of 200 horsepower and the ability to be towed by a tractor up to 300 horsepower. Ultimately, it's time to say goodbye to clumpy soil and hello to the Optimer XL 500, your ticket to a flourishing harvest. And last, but certainly not least, we've got the Citrix QRX 14 wheel rake. This modern machine of 2 tons with a transport width of 9 feet, is used for gathering and arranging hay or forage into windrows for efficient baling or harvesting. It's towed behind your trusty tractor. It's outfitted with 14 finger wheels, each diameter of 5 foot. These wheels are equipped with 0.3-inch diameter tines, gently lifting and gathering the cut crop from the ground. It's like having a team of hay elves working tirelessly in your fields with a maximum windrow width of 7 feet and a substantial working width of 28 feet. In conclusion, you can achieve perfectly lined up windrows with the QRX 14 wheel rake. And thank you for joining us on Mighty Machinery as we delved into the wonders of modern agriculture. From cutting-edge harvesters to precision planting gear, we've explored remarkable innovations transforming the agriculture field. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing machinery content. The future of agriculture is unfolding before our eyes, and it's truly awe-inspiring. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and keep marveling at these incredible machines that push the boundaries of what's possible. We'll see you in the next video of Mighty Machinery.